Go.
Hi guys.
Hi,
This is
guys.
Cars. This is the
Lego. This is the roads.
So, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
I'm building the city.
Mini city with
This stuff.
this stuff. Okay, let's go! Start now! So, ayan, si Miko. Magawa si Miko ng parkings. Tower. Buildings na para sa parking lang. So, anong ginagawa mo, Amad?
Building the road. I'm building the tower. I was building the road. A, B, Y, and Z. What do I next build here?
This goes here. Around.
Bago daw sila matulog, gagawa daw sila ng mini city.
This around. This is still out here.
Mama, that's not even a road.
Let's go.
So, nasa second floor na si Miko.
I'm third floor.
Third floor na pala. Then si Ama. May dalawang ano na siya.
Oh, that's not even a road. Floor.
Blackout.
Blackout.
Bilisan kasi magba-blackout na. Hindi na natin ma-finish yung mini city ninyo.
What do I? No.
Wow, malapit na matapos si Miko.
Because I'm almost nothing.
Yan yung garahe.
I don't know how the cars will climb up.
Ilagay lang. So,
No.
galing dito yung mga cars, magdaan sa kalsada ni Amad. Yan. Ano?
Wala.
Ang sabi mo?
Wala.
Anong grade ka?
2.
Si Amad.
Grade 1. Done.
Wow! How many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yun ang
They just
parking.
fall. Gosh, 6.
Wow!